Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily allow app permissions on Android. So let's jump right into it. First we open the settings app, and then from here we either scroll down to find apps right here as you can see in the video, or you can just go to the search bar on top, tap on it and search for apps. Just like that, we found apps, we tap on them and then we tap on manage apps again. From here, just scroll down until you find the app that you want to allow permissions to. We tap on it. There you should find app permissions. Tap on it and you can see here all the permissions that app can have. You'll find the allowed one on top and the not allowed one on the bottom. Let's say I want to allow this application to have access to my calendar. I tap on calendar and then I tap on allow. And just like that, I have allowed this app to have access to my calendar. As you can see guys, it was nice and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe for the channel to future solutions for problems like these, and thanks for watching.